So welcome you guys to debugging doubts. Now let us solve the question 1, that is design and simulate a wired network with duplex links between n nodes with CDR over UDP. Set the queue size, vary the bandwidth and find the number of packets dropped. For this question we go to file, then ns3 all in one, ns3.39, and in that we go to examples, and in the examples we go to traffic control, and in traffic control.cc we copy this file and come back and we paste it in the scratch folder. So here we paste, and later on we need to rename to some L0, then rename. Now you can see, so my basic topology is from n0 to n1 and n1 to n2, and address you can see there. So 10.1.1.0 and one is 10.1.2.0. Then we scroll down and we need to see this transport port, we need to set to UDP because they have given in the question. Then we scroll down and we see nodes.create, we have 3 nodes, so make it as 3. Then one more change is you need to give this one device, you need to give from where to where the device is connected. You can see side I have shown the diagram. So first we will write it as device 01, means device from 0 to 1, and here also I write 0 to 1, and we write in the install nodes.get 0 comma nodes.get 1, that is node is connected from 0 to 1. This we are defining here. Same thing we are doing with the second interface. So we copy this and paste here, and where we write device 1 2, and here also device 1 2, and write define where it is connected, so 1 to 2. Now we scroll down and you can see this traffic control helper till queue, we don't require all this, so I will comment this off from here to here. Yeah, now you can see the address. So address basically remains same, but we need to set base address for different nodes. So I'll write as first as interface 01 and device also 01. So I will copy the entire thing, and I will copy this and paste it here, and you can see interface 1 to 2 for device 1 to 2, and address should be 10.1.2.0. so we are setting the base address, that is the main intention we are doing. So we have done this. Now come to the flow part. In the flow part we need to add source, destination and interface. Interface means through which we are going. So you can see add apps.add, here we are setting the source one. So what is our source? n0, so I'll set it to 0, and you can see sync app is our destination. So you can see there nodes.get of 2, so 2 is our destination, and interface is like through what I'm going. So from interface 1 to 2 I'm going, and get address is 1. So from one node we are just passing, right? So then you can see from u in 32 till before simulator destroy we don't want, and from after simulator destroy till return we don't want. So comment it off, and yeah, all these things done. Now one important thing we must remember is routing table. So we are going to this one ns3.3 and then examples, and then we are going to tutorials, and inside the tutorials we are going to third.cc. in that we find the routing table, IPv4 global routing helper. We copy that, we come to our program, and here we paste it. So done everything. I'll save the file and come back to our scratch folder where our program is here, and you can see this is a program. Come back, and here we open the terminal. So we should not do it in scratch folder, so we go one step back. So cd dot dot, so we are in the ns3.39. in this we need to write /ns3 run, then our program name, that is L0, so L0, then --viz for visualization. Now we run the file, and it's being running, and if visualization doesn't come sometimes, then you should remove that --viz, so we'll only get the output. This thing you need to remember. Yeah, we got the visualization. Now let us simulate. This is node 0, this is node 1, and this is node 2. Let us simulate. Time is running but nothing is happening, so there must be a small error. Everything is fine because we are getting the visualization. So let us check the code once again. So we go to L0 and we see this is fine, source and destination fine. Then we see other things, so simulator, these things, everything is looking fine. And we see the IP routing table. Okay, the problem is global IP routing table, we have defined it above the address, so we need to define after the this defining the interface. So after this one, defining the interface, we are copy pasting it once again and save the file and once again run. It's been working. We wait for a while. And here go, we got once again the same thing, node 0, node 1, and this is node 2. And now we simulate. Yeah, you can see from node 0 it is going to node 1, and from node 1 it is going to node 2. So we can see the visualization properly, and this is what we require. So we can see the visualization. So all the things are done. Now I will stop the simulation, exit, and you can see the flow monitor statistics. So this thing you need to note it down. And this was all for today, and if you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you guys for watching my video.